Good morning and welcome back everybody to Video Diary on the Farm for another week. Yep, last week we had a day, Wednesday, we went to Lamma show, which was really good, and yeah, saw a lot of people, a lot of different machinery, and a big thank you to the people that came up to us and said hello. It was very much appreciated. Yeah, you get surprising how many people you see in these places, but yeah, thank you very much to everybody who came up to us anyway. So part of this week's video, it's dedicated to Lamma show. Hopefully you're not getting too sick of seeing different things of it. I know it's been on all last week, but hopefully there might be something a bit different that nobody's shown I've got in my video. So yeah, hope you enjoy that, and yeah, we're just getting on with a bit more maintenance work at the minute. Yeah, as you'll see. But, yeah, anyway, hopefully we'll catch you at the end. Enjoy. Right, we're all loaded up. We're on our way to Lamma.
They've gone out.
Early morning.
They've gone out yet, Dave?
This is the worst part about coming to Lamma. Stood in queue traffic, isn't it, Andrew? Yeah. Especially when the other side's flowing. Well, we've arrived. Not too bad a trip. Few things, but yeah, we're all raring to go. Not far to get in, by the looks of it either. A nice looking Deutsch Warrior in black. Yeah, smart that one. I'm interested in this low loader. That's 3 axles, steering, yeah, hydraulic bale wedge. Yeah, spot on. Yeah, I do like that. Yeah, we're on the case stand here. This is the case equivalent, the axle flow to the CR11. Very simple. Yeah, it's got a single rotor in it, unlike the New Holland, which is twin rotors. But this is meant to be the same capacity. Massive straw spreaders there, choppers. Yeah. All the drives. Yeah. Very simple. That's the selling point. Very simple. The axial flow combines with its big single rotor up there. Look at that. Yeah. The kids would love this. Yeah. I don't know, but I think it will shift. I wouldn't like to be on it. Too low to the ground. Obviously we're on the JCB stand. Plenty to see on here. It's a big stand as normal. Here we are. This could be our new forklift, you reckon, George? Definitely. Yeah. Look at that. Agri Pro. It's like the one we had on last week. It's a 5.4 100, which means it's lifted 10 metres, which is a long way. This one's appealing too. 560. Which is 6 tons to 8 metres. Well, that's got a big bucket on it. I reckon it'll be about 5-ton bucket on that. So yeah, and it stands high. It's like a normal load all, but on steroids. It's a lot bigger.
Please head to FG line.
There we are. There's an old Unimog, one of the original ones. Then we get to something high tech. Like this one, with how they've come on in the years. Very popular in with the municipal authorities. With their whatever their attachments they can fit on the mid load, the front and the rear. And I believe this one actually has got a it's got a wider side door on it. verge mowing. Thank you. Yeah, so you can see where you're going, cutting. Amazing. I reckon this is any good. We'll have it in the corn shed. Keep it clean. Ah. Nice thought, anyway. You get all the top people here. Then Mr. Clarkson comes to Lamma. What's he spending on? I think Jeremy's going into organic farming. He's one of our weeder. This is Caleb. Do we have a Vardestad top down? Yeah, we've similar to our SLD. Anyway, we've got one coming at harvest. We're gonna try one, see what it goes like. Because our SLD is aging, but yeah, I'm gonna try a different mixing approach with them tines on it. Let's see. Oh, thank you, brilliant, thank you. Yeah, here we are. It's got the mixing tines on it, so it mixes it from the bottom to the top. So yeah, be interesting when we try one anyway. This is a novel idea. A lorry with a hopper feeder for filling from Larrington trailers for filling Arctics from the field. Keep the road, you know, the soil off the fields. Yeah, a novel idea. It's a big hopper. Good idea. Look in the hopper. Yeah. So takes it up there and fills an Arctic lorry. Keep mud off the road. Is this the way forward? Electric. Only a mini Merlot. Mini one. But there's getting a few more about. Manufacturers seem to be making them. The electric machines. Yep, we're just entering the fence water stand. Rollers. I think I said last year, I do like this colour. Whatever it is, burnt orange or whatever. Hey, smart Valtra. Supposing tractor, this one, isn't it? I think. This is a new fence. We need to try one of these. We do. We need to try one. A 620 very old. What is it? 200 horsepower, 4-cylinder. Looks smart tractor. Look at the size of that exhaust. The dustbin on that. It's a big fence crawler. Sorry, dear. There we are. That's what I could have had. Nice looking machine still. Oh yes, very nice black Fendt 936 tinted windows. Yeah, quite like that. It's got the rear ones. Yeah, got rear tints. Yeah, that looks very smart of Agri Bales. This is rather cool. Look at this McHale setup with a front floating linkage. Good setup that. That goes on the front of your tractor. And this two at the rear. Here we go, it's running through a demonstration mode. How it floats over rough terrain. Got some play on that if he was on a slope like that. Going up and down. Yeah, be alright on some uneven terrain with that. Here we are. There's a combine one featured in the Lord Mayor's show on the Massey stand. Worshipful company of farmers. Nice paint scheme on it. Farmers, produce your food. anybody who's into tractor pulling. There we are, thunderstorm. Oh, look at that for an engine. Yes. She's shining. Big turbo in there. There we are. Look at that. For some horsepower, 2,100. Yeah, that's 7840. Yeah, smart that is. Look at this for failing. Stand by it for scale, Derek. I mean, Dave. Yeah, look at that. What is it? Must over 2 metres anyway. This flail, massive. There you are. One strip down the side, and none of the top. One past flail head. This is just what you want. Smart looking machine that, but what a flail head that is. I can't get over how big it is. Yeah, well, Larrington big trailer, but central tyre inflation. Yeah. Not so sure about the inflation system. I think they would get ripped off. Well, we've got the old TM320 back. Show you what they replaced. They replaced this block, which the pin going into there, new pin on there. Big lump. So all the oscillation goes through that from side to side, and with it steering back and forth. So yeah, it turns a lot of time. So yeah, it's a big lump of steel that what lot was. Well, and an expensive price tag too. But anyway, it's all done, back together, back on the job. Well, update on the cradle for the tree shear. Just about all finished, welded up. Just doing a couple of little mods on it to make it sit right. But yeah, well pleased with that. Now it is, forklifts, tines in there, lift it on, solid steel. That is not going to break. So yeah, need to get it finished off, just a little bit of welding on it, and then get some paint on it. Then it'll be like a brand new purpose made one. Well, got all the bits of welding on it, got a bit of a primer coat put on it. I had to put blocks of steel in different places because the bottom, it doesn't sit flat in the frame. There's bits protruding underneath the actual tree shear, so that's brought it all welded on. Yeah, just needs to dry that now, and then we'll get the top coat on it, and it'll look smart. That, I'm going to paint it yellow. That's why the bottom one's already painted that colour, so I haven't undercoated them. Well, there we are. Finally got the top coat of paint on it, but probably looks better on camera than what it is because the paint reacted a bit with the undercoat. So, but it looks good enough for me. It's alright, that. It's better than what it looked like before. Job's a good one. Get it loaded on now. As you can see, I'm on the digger at the minute. We're just going down the dike, just making it flow a bit better. There's nothing in it really, except obstructions. And there's a bit of white plastic in the bottom there. I think with flailing edges, you get a lot of the bits falling in. I mean, as you see, it's not a tremendous one. I'm not taking nothing out the bottom, but it's just to keep the water flowing, basically, and anything what's dropped in. But it's not taking long, just whipping down it. So yeah, I think we're doing a good job. It's well worthwhile. Looks like it's a bit of old carpet that I'm taking out. Anyway, I'll put that on the grass margin, that bit, and we'll get rid of that later. Move it to one side. Yeah. really, I'm not taking anything off the bottom. We're just making a bit of grass, just making it flow. Typical bit here. We've got a bit of hedge gone in, branches, yeah, just restricting the flow. The water go a bit quicker when you get that out. Leaves, yeah, keep on topping it now, and then it doesn't take half as long to do. Bit of silt there with them sticks holding everything up, just a little bit of silt accumulates. Well, that's what happens in the rivers. You get obstructions and it holds the flow up, and then all of a sudden the silt starts forming around it, so that's where your blockages come from. So yeah, definitely need to be kept clean, all the rivers, get the flow of water. That's better. I can feel now we're on stone on the ground, on the bottom, so that's good. That it shows we're at the bottom. Well, that's it for this week's video. Yeah, the nights are starting to pull out a little bit more. It's about 4:45 now, and it's still lightish outside, so that's good. We're heading in the right direction. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for making it through to the end. And if you have liked it, please hit that like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch you again next week.